Here we are. We're back here in Marion County, looking at the road to this first property we're going to go look at. Now, this is supposed to have a dwelling on it. Now, whether or not it does is going to be a whole nother thing. But as you can see, there are telephone poles back here. So that's important. If you have ever priced running power to your property, boy, I'll tell you, you're going to get a wake-up call on that one. I was looking at a property out in Citrus County, and that they wanted $8,000 just to run about 4 poles and the line to get to this property, and you know, and that lot was only going to cost me I think it was $3,500. So that's not now you got well and septic and everything else. So I guess another tip here for us working on a budget, a very tight budget, is we're looking for these power poles, okay, and like up there, okay, and we're looking, you know, if we can get well and septic, even better. Okay, I think this is it right here, this one up here on the left. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off because I need to take some pictures. This looks occupied. I don't want occupied properties, I want unoccupied properties, but we're going to take a look. This is by the way about $22,000. It's that from about where I'm sitting, in fact I got a little blue mark on that tree right there, down to that intersection that you see down there. But it's got power and everything. There's a line running to it, so but look at all this junk out here. You'd have to clear all that out and everything, so it's going to end up running a bunch more than you're probably going to want to spend. But anyhow, I need to take some still pictures of this, so I'm going to shut this down.